So the first thing that you'll need to make your ice sculptures is some containers that you can hold the water in and the different materials that you collect. So here I have got a tin for making cakes, and then also a little Tupperware box that I can also use for a deeper decoration. And then I've just cut up some string to hang the decorations afterwards. And what I need to do now is go outside and go and collect different materials from in the garden that I can include in my ice sculptures. Okay, so now I've been outside and I've collected different things. So leaves, I've got petals, flowers, little berries, so different bits and pieces that are different colours that I think will work nicely together within the ice. And then what I'm going to start doing now is filling my containers with water, and then what I'm going to do is select different things and just place them into the water. So some things will float, some things will sink. Once I've got a few things in and I'm happy with the arrangement of the different things from outside, I can then put that to one side and start on my next one. And then once I'm happy with it, move on to the next one. So some of them you might have as more full, and some of them you might leave a bit more empty, so you can see more of the ice. Once I've put the leaves and berries and everything into the ice, then I'm going to add the string so that I've got something to hang them up with. So I'm just going to take my piece of string now, place it in like that, so I've got that loop. Then now I can go and either take them outside because it's cold enough, or I can go and put them in the freezer and then tomorrow see what they look like ready to go outside to hang up in the tree. Okay, so it's now the next morning and I've left my ice sculptures outside to freeze overnight, and this slightly thicker one I put in the freezer just in case it was too thick to freeze outside, but it's so cold out there I think it would have anyway. So now I can carefully remove these, so if they're a bit stuck then you can just squeeze them out, and then as you can see all the things are frozen inside. And with this one, join two together, so we've got a string that is froze from there into there. I quite like the effect of that and how they're joined together. I've got these two here. So now these are ready to go outside and be hung as sculptures out on my tree.